Hello, good day. Now, let's talk about enterprise structure. Enterprise structures are the foundation of how organizations operate. They define the distribution of tasks, responsibilities, and authority across teams, departments, and level of management. Think of it as a roadmap that guides everyone in the organization towards shared goals. Traditional enterprise structures like hierarchies follow a top-down approach. For example, you might have CEO at the top, department heads report to them, and team working under each department. This creates clarity and stability, ensuring everyone knows their role and who they report to. But as the business world becomes faster and more unpredictable, these traditional structures can sometimes feel rigid. They may struggle to support innovation or adapt quickly to change. This is why many organizations are exploring alternative ways of structuring themselves, ways that encourage collaboration, creativity, and flexibility. These alternative structures are not just about redefining roles, they're about reimagining how people work together to achieve common purpose. So why does having an effective enterprise structure matter? Before its difference between an organization that thrives and one that struggles. A strong structure provides clarity. Imagine being part of a team where no one knows who is responsible for what. It would be chaos, wouldn't it? A clear structure ensures everyone understands their role and how their work to contribute to the bigger picture. It also ensures smooth communication. In a well-structured organization, information flows easily between leaders and employees and across teams, so everyone is aligned and on the same page. Perhaps, most importantly, a good structure supports efficient decision making. Decisions can be made quickly because it's clear who has authority to make them, whether that's centralized at the top or distributed among teams. On the other hand, poorly designed structure can lead to confusion, inefficiency, and low morale. Employees might feel frustrated if they don't understand their roles, or if decisions take too long because of unclear processes. So effective enterprise structures aren't just about organization. They're just they're about ensuring the companies operate smoothly and achieves its goals effectively.